10th class mathematics real numbers. So here we discussed example problems 7, 8, 9, 10, their solutions. First we take example 7. Prove that root 2 is irrational number. సో ఇక్కడ రూట్ టూని మనము ఇర్రాషనల్ నెంబర్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనము ఇండైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్లో మనం ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. సో కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాము, రూట్ టూ ఈజ్ ఇర్రాషనల్ నెంబర్. ఇక్కడ కాంట్రరీ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇండైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్లో మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది రూట్ టూ ఇర్రాషనల్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి దానికి కాంట్రరీ, సో రూట్ టూ రేషనల్ అని తీసుకుంటాం అనమాట. సో కాబట్టి లెట్ రూట్ టూ ఈజ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్. హియర్ రూట్ టూ ఈజ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్, సో we take r by s form, that means p by q form of a rational number. So root 2 equal to r by s, where r and s is not equal to 0 are arranged to be two integers. That means here r and s having as common factors. So if r and s have any common factor other than 1, then divided by the common factor then root 2 equal to a by b. Here a and b are co-primes. That means a and b has only one as a common factor. So here a b are co-primes. So root 2 equal to a by b. Here b can be transposed to LHS. We write b into root 2 equal to a. So here squaring on both sides, so we get b root 2 whole square is equals to a square. Here square is implements to b and root 2, so we write b square into 2 equal to a square. So here in LHS 2 is transposed to RHS. 2 divides a square, 2 divides a square, and also 2 divides a. That means here a is in the form of multiple of 2, so we can write a equal to 2c for some integer c. So we substitute a equal to 2c in b square equal to a square by 2. So b square equal to a value is 2c, so 2c whole square by 2. 2c whole square means 4c square, so b square equal to 4c square by 2. Here 2 is cancel, 2 2s are, so 2 2s are 4, so we get b square equal to 2c square. So 2 is transposed to LHS, we can write b square by 2 equal to c square. Here observe in LHS 2 divides b square and also 2 divides b. Here 2 is a common factor a and b. So clearly we observe that since a and b are co-primes, and have no common factors other than 1, so this is contradiction has arisen. This contradiction has arisen because of our assumption that root 2 is a rational number. So we can conclude that root 2 is a irrational number. Similarly, prove another example. So example 8, prove that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. So its proof is, let in the indirect method we assume the contrary. So here 5 minus root 3 can be write in the form of a by b or in the form of p by q. So 5 minus root 3 is rational, so 5 minus root 3 equal to a by b, where a b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. Then so 5 minus, here a by b transposed to LHS and root 3 can be transposed to RHS. We write 5 minus a by b equal to root 3. Here the above equation can be rearranging, then we write root 3 equal to 5 minus a by b. Then in RHS 5 minus a by b simplify it, so we can write root 3 equal to 5 minus a by b. So root 3 equal to 5 into b, 5b minus a by denominator b, right, as it is. So 5b minus a by b, here ab are integers, then we get 5, the value of 5b minus a by b is a rational number, and also is equals to 5b minus a by b is also equals to root 3, hence so root 3 is also irrational, but this is contradicts, so the fact that root 3 is irrational. So this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption, that is 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So we can conclude that 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. Similarly, we can another example, we take another example, example 9, show that 3 root 2 is an irrational number. So its solution, let us assume the contrary, that 3 root 2 is irrational. So its form p by q form, here 3 root is in the p by q rational number, so it is in the form of p by q. So where we take a and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0, such that 3 root 2 values can be a by b. Here 3 is transposed to RHS, we write root 2 equal to a by 3b. Since here 3, a and b are integers, so the value of a by 3b is rational and root 2 is a rational. But this is contradicts, so the fact contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. So we can conclude that 3 root 2 is a irrational number. So we take another example, example 10, prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So let us, we assume that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Root 2 plus root 3 is root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number, so root 2 plus root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. So here root 3 can be transposed to RHS, so we write root 2 equal to a by b minus root 3. Squaring on both sides, we get root 2 whole square equal to a by b minus root 3 whole square. In RHS, a by b minus root 3 whole square is in the form of x minus y whole square. So by the x minus y whole square identity, we can expand this x square plus y square minus 2xy. So we write RHS as x square as a by b whole square and y square as can be plus root 3 whole square and minus 2xy as minus 2 into, in the place of x is a by b, in the place of y is root 3 can be substituted. So we get 2 equal to a square by b square plus root 3 whole square value is 3 minus 2 into a by b root 3. Here minus 2 by ab into root 3 can be transposed to LHS and 2 can be transposed to RHS. 2 into a by b root 3 equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2. So 2 into a by b into root 3 equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2 value is 1, and 2 into a by b root 3 equal to RHS can be simplified by, we get a square plus b square by b square. So next 2 into a by b can be transposed to RHS, we get in RHS a square plus b square by b square into b by 2a. So here in RHS b 1b cancel, so we get in RHS in denominator 1b can be write as, so 2ab, its product is in the denominator 2 into ab. So we write root 3 equal to a square plus b square by 2ab. Here a and b are integers, the value of a square plus b square by 2ab is a rational, and so root 3 is a rational. So this is contradict the fact that root 3 is irrational. Hence we can prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational.